Yo guys, what's going on? What a week it has been. You saw us crush up Manchester, England. You saw us hit up Oslo, Norway. And now, check us out in Vilnius, Lithuania. So we explored some of downtown, but not all of it. Gotta have to make another trip down there to see what it's all about. Yo, we out here in Lithuania, about to go explore, do some cinematic stuff, show you guys the city, get some beers, and some food. Before we go out, we'll Desperado start us off. Ooh, that num-num juice. Gross.
Time's up, got my coins up, my bars up, so we find them.
Little American fine dining. You know, it's the Hoots. We out here at the Hooters with the Rolls Royce. You know how we living. Oh God, it's not open?
It's not open.
Oh God, I gotta pee. Yo! Sun's still out. Got some brews, got some food.
And Gringos.
And Gringos, not Hooters, because they were still closed. Tripping hard off this Scandinavian tobacco. It's really putting me on my feet. But yeah, keep walking around. Keep showing what you guys got. Hey, hit him with that well, Melina. Oh!
What were you was at? I had the 6. What were you was at? I had the 6. I had the 6 on my shoe. What were you was at? I had the 6. What were you was at? I had the 6 like a classroom. Man, I ain't got no choice. Nowadays I swear this shit has changed it for the boy. I'm self-made, selfish with my women, self-employed. Out by the neighbor's house, they complain about the noise, man. What were you was at? I had the 6. I had the 6 on my shoe. What were you was at? I had the 6. What were you was at? I had the 6 like a classroom.
Get him a vodka shot, another beer, please. Super. Million.
Oh, Sony, nice.
Yo! So we're here, Plum Bum Bar. Got the bar to ourselves. Some dope ass bartender. Hooks it up with drinks and snacks. Like, what? Take that music bumping. What more do you want when being in Lithuania? What more do you want? Nothing. See? Same. Nothing more. This is the perfect environment and it just bumps, you know? Hey.
You wanna go first?
Shit, son. Go all day. As they say in Mother Russia. Nastrovia. No. Нет.
That's good. That's sweet.
Back in Deutschland. Adios. It's been real. Time to get harassed by the security guards.